What's up with it, y'all? Welcome back to another video with your boy Big Pete. On this video, I'm gonna be changing out the spark plugs, the coil pads, ignition wires for 06 Impala SS. Alright, first I'm taking out the coil pads. I'm going to change out the coil pad. Before I did this, we had started up the car and then it ran, so I know the spark plugs probably a little hot right now around it. So right now I'm gonna take out the coil pads. For the coil pads, you need a 10mm socket wrench, and you just pop these off. So you just push up, push out, push up, and it comes straight out. And for the wires, you just pull them off, and they come off. So I'm gonna do these four. You got 4 on this side, and you got 4 at the back. All right, now that I got the coil pads off, I'm gonna take the spark plugs out, and then I'm gonna put the new ones in. To do that, you know, the process is gonna be the same as taking it out. You just put it back in, gonna be a reverse. All right, guys, just finished putting all of it back on. New spark plug, new coil pad, new wire. The wire that they sent me was too long. It's the long, and the ones I thought the guy was supposed to be the short ones. What I do with the short ones? They supposed to be this long. They sent me the wrong one, but I'm gonna try to use the long one for now. But y'all can see the difference in the length. And now, we try and get to the back one. I already took the coil pads off. Right now, we're trying to take the wires out. And we change out the spark plug. But it's in a tight spot. You know, it's gonna be hard to get to, but you'll be able to get them out. After that, we're gonna give it a start test. All right, guys, just got finished hooking it up. How it look. I say the hardest thing for the back was taking off the wires, the ignition coil wires. But other than that, getting to the spark plugs and stuff like that, it was easy to do. That what took the longest, taking the wires off, the ignition wire, but started straight up. That's it. Oh yeah, and remember to unplug your battery. So, you know, I forgot to do that in the beginning, but while we were doing that, I ended up unplugging the battery. So, thank y'all for looking at the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. And, you know, if you need anything done to your vehicle, just let me know. Leave it in the comments below. And I'll try to make a video on it as soon as I can.